welcome back to yet another video of my YouTube channel. This is yours one and only Divi Sethi. So in my previous videos, I had done one powerful session, a practice session with you guys, if you remember. If you haven't seen that video, please do watch it. It is the powerful mantra to make your dreams come true. So I am excited to do another powerful session with you guys. Now this session is going to be seriously amazing. So what is it about? Now everyone has different negative situations in their life. It can be anything. It can be related to job, it can be related to relationships, family, money, etc. Now for these situations, how do you remove these negative situations? There is a technique which I am going to tell you. It's just going to take 2 minutes of your time. That's all. 2 minutes of your time to remove those negative situations from your life. So do you want to know what it is? Let's get started. So guys, how are we going to remove these negative emotions from everyone's life? Okay, you need to have, for this session, first of all, you need to be ready mentally. It is all from your mind, okay? So you need to have 2 glasses, okay? You can have 2 cups also, but 2 glasses is fine. 1 glass should be filled with water, another glass empty. You need to have 2 papers, okay? And a pen. That is it. That is all that you require. And you require your mind here. Alright. So, this technique is called as the 2-cup technique. It is based on the dimensional jumping. So what it exactly means is, I'm going to show it to you stepwise and then you can try it out. In first class, that is filled with water, you need to write, this is, I'm taking a paper, but you can take a label also. You need to write your current situation. For example, your current situation like, I have less money, or I do not have a job right now, or I am having family struggles. So all of that you need to write down in this paper and you need to put it with the glass, okay? Or you can put it down with the glass, alright? That is one, but you remember that it should be the glass filled with water, okay? The second one will be the empty glass. Here you are going to take, with the paper or the label, you are going to write here what you want the situation to be. So that was the current situation. This will be what you want to be. And of course, your current situation will always be towards the negative end because you are not liking something right now. And this will be towards the positive end, that you want your family life to be good, you want more money, you want a better job, or you want a job, etc. You're going to write on this, alright? And then you're going to kick it. Then you need 2 minutes of your time. Think about the situation mentally. Relax, calm down, and then just think about the situation, that how you are right now and how you want to be. Just think how slowly your negative phase is shifting to the positive phase. Okay? Once you have come into that zone, once you have come back to that arena, then these are the 2 glasses. Okay? Slowly pour the water from this glass to the other glass. While you pour, you will actually feel that your situation is turning to a better situation. You will actually feel it from within. That is the power from this technique. And then you will actually feel that, okay, you know what? I can better my situation right now. Nothing is impossible. This is your proposed class. This is what you wanted. You have it right now. Slowly drink it. Trust me, once you do this, the amount of relaxation, the feeling of something that you have achieved, something that you will feel that, oh my God, something that was making you frustrated from so long, stressed from so long, is actually now calm. That is the power of this technique. It is so much proven. It is done by so many people. Only and only that you need in this technique is your mental mind right now. You need to be here. You need to be physically and mentally when you're doing this. This will completely change your life 360 degree. Trust me. So guys, this was another powerful session. Hope you guys have liked it. Just take out 2 minutes of your time during the whole day and try out this session, because if you are suffering with any situation right now, this is going to change you 360 degrees. Trust me, this technique can make wonders. Alright, so please drop in a comment on the comment section and let me know how it was. If you have tried it out, how did you feel about it? If it has not happened with you, if you did not feel anything, please let me know also, maybe I can help you. If you have doubts about any part of the technique, also drop in a comment and I can help you. And share this video to as many people as possible, because everyone needs to be relieved and everyone needs to be relaxed, calm and out of that negative zone right now and make this world a better place. And trust me guys, believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, everything is going to be fine. Take care.